everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another video. We are here at Pueblo Motorsports Park. It is not PFI Speed Fest yet, that is tomorrow. We are here for the private track rental. I am just trying to get this girl here all dialed in and she's gonna see what she can do. Got the tire set at 10 psi. Just checked the two-step and the tune, everything seems to be good. So I'm gonna get in line. I'm gonna make my first test pass and we're gonna see how this goes, guys. I'm gonna get the camera to Mike, but stick around, this is gonna be a good one.
All right, Chris up here at the line. Got a little Camaro over there about to do him a pass and another Civic. Then we're gonna move up the left, Chris, left lane's got better water box. This guy's drying it up over here. Oh no, he watered it. Okay.
Yeah, he watered it.
He just now watered it.
He's ready for me.
Yeah. You ready? Watch your arm. Second. Having problems with the brake. Yeah.
I didn't even flip the switch.
Yeah, he's having problems with the brake, so we changed up the whole.
Too far back.
Well, okay, so he needs to be in middle, right?
Here. Hold on, let me show you. So you know. So see when you put your foot here?
On the first
so
one?
You go like this.
Okay.
See, there's the bulb.
Oh, it's so down low.
Come
Okay.
back. Then your foot is
Okay.
the spot.
Thank you, Jamie.
If you're like this and you're pulling him in, you've got the bulb on.
Yeah.
So you got to turn the bulb on. Come back.
Chris going out for his third pass. Going to try to get him right on this one. We got the thing off right now, right here on a little more boost here. Got it cooled down. Didn't really change nothing else. Added a little bit of fuel in some areas. We put more fuel in it, filled it up. A whole 5 gallons is great. He's going to give me a ride up to the front.
This is test easy for you.
I'm just gonna let it go green, then two-step and go.
Pull up, get on both bulbs.
Yeah.
Hold your brake.
Yeah.
The yellows will come down. Get on two-step, and then go.
Yeah. Well, this clutch is just so rough, it's just dragging me through it, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go for Chris's third. Was 11.6.
It's got a fuel leak.
We did just fill it up, so I will double check all that. So what Chris just did, he got back about 5 minutes ago. He went down for the third time, and we got a number this time. What was it?
11.6. Not very good.
Nope.
But I had no boost.
So on this, he came back and I was like, this was wiggling the coupler. I said, there's your problem.
Yeah, it blew the coupler right off.
I don't know if it was tight before or if it just blew it off, but yeah, there it is. Again, so now we said, okay, cool, we fixed that problem. We made another problem, we turned it up.
Yeah, she getting all the 700 now. It's 10 or nothing now because we're probably gonna get 1 or 2 more hits.
Yep.
The rest of the day, and unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to race tomorrow because the people that built my cage did not make it to proper spec. It's missing a bar, so they just can't. They're gonna let me go today for practice because it's a private rental, but they're just not letting me race tomorrow.
So also gonna probably drop the tire pressure too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they've gotten hot. They've inflated themselves.
You might as well just put it in third gear and do a burnout.
No,
it's on water. Alright, and it needs to keep on rocking and rolling. It needs to hold it in a little bit longer in second. Because it's spinning them fine. It looks like it is.
Yep, getting there. No thanks.
Could be a couple little things with it, but nothing bad. You hit a little better.
All right, guys, more bad news. So not only can we not race tomorrow, we're done for the day, actually. The guys at the starting line, they said there might have been a small fuel leak or something, or they saw some fuel or something else on the track. They weren't sure what it was, but looking back here at this fitting right here, this line right here is completely soaked. This fitting is dry, which means this fitting is bad and it is leaking. And this just happened, which really sucks because I don't have another fitting. And even if I did have another fitting, it would probably take me too long to fix it to get back on the track. So, we're done. So we're done for the day. I might do another two-step just for fun in a second, but that's about it. We're done. I can't race down the track leaking fuel. Yeah, Mike's making some food. So
yeah, I'm hungry. I'm done.
Yeah, it is time. We are done, so we're eating, and we can't race tomorrow either. So, and we don't even have a ride out of here because the guy who drove us down here, he already left. He's gonna be back tomorrow though. Yeah, he'll be back tomorrow to pick up the trailer and everything so we can take it back. That just sucks. But
yeah, unfortunate events.
maybe in a couple weeks we can get back down here on a test and tune day and we can rip it and I can actually see if I can get a 10. But it sucks that coupler was loose and wasn't getting any boost. That was probably going to be a 10 if I can get some boost out of it. All right, guys, good news. Kind of. We're gonna just drop down. Instead of just not racing tomorrow, we managed to drop down to another class. We're now in the 11.5 class, just like last year, unfortunately. But this thing does 11.5s like it's nobody's business, so
It's basically no boost.
Yeah, basically no boost. It does 11.5. I just put the cap back on the T over there. But now all we got to do is figure out this fuel line issue here. She is dripping out really bad. She's just leaking the sleeve. I think it might have a bad kink in it.
We're gonna try to cut
right
it
here.
back 2 inches right there.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it back 2 inches to see if we can't fix it. I don't have any more slack really from the front, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna loosen the fuel filter up here, and we're just gonna slide that forward a couple inches. It'll be on the edge of the mount, but it'll still work. So we're gonna try to get busting on this. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, guys, so Brent came through from PFI. He didn't have it, but he managed to find somebody who had it. There's a hose clamp right here. I just borrowed his crazy insane scissors here. We cut the line a little shorter. And just gonna tighten this clamp down as much as I can.
Yeah.
This 8mm killer here.
It's not 5/16, but
I mean, that's the same thing, right?
I got a 1/4 just cut. Just hold my arms out. I'm just take my shirt off. Look at the difference. It's horrible.
All right, well, hopefully that holds. We'll see. That's about as tight as I can. It is not coming off. Okay, cut this clamp shorter. That's not all.
I got the other dikes for that.
Some good scissors. All right, guys, see. We got that on there. Got that filter just barely hanging on there on the edge. We're gonna tighten that down. It should hold it just fine. Not a lot of weight there, so see how this goes. Again. Dry. Good. Yeah, she dry.
That works.
All right, we're good. We're back in business. Yeah. All right, so we're just letting her warm up. I'm gonna see how she does under, make sure she doesn't leak under two-step, because whenever the engine's under boost, the fuel system has more pressure on it, so make sure not what happens.
Good. Hold that.
Yeah, 5 pounds at 11, so perfect.
It's not leaking. Cool.
Good?
Yeah, we have to make sure the fuel line.
Yeah, we had a fuel leak, so we're just putting under pressure, you know.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, y'all got any fucking burritos over there, man? I know y'all be eating.
Oh no, not yet.
Shit, I know.
Yeah, we got the grill.
I cooked and everything.
We gotta go buy groceries.
I'm trying to look like you so I can have a dad bod shirt, dude.
All right, everybody, got the car fixed, and we got tent and everything all set up on the trailer. Got really nothing left to do but take it back and drink some beers. Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, Brent, for saving the day with your idea about the hose clamp. That was a good idea. That was his idea, and also he had found the hose clamp, and he had the special scissors. So, you know, thank you, Brent. But we're just gonna sit back here. We are watching the sunset over there, waiting for, you know, a nice fun night.
Yep. Everything's gonna be nice and clear.
Yep. We got nothing left to do till tomorrow. Said I got moved to a lower class. I'm now in the 11.5 class, which that's not so bad. I mean, I really wanted to be in the 10.0 class, but the 11.5 at least, I'm very consistent 11.5. Like, that's all that car really likes to do is.
11.62 earlier on the accident.
Yeah, 11.62 is, I was on no boost too. So, but I put the cat back on the T, so she's back down to 500 horsepower. So that's where she likes to do 11.5 at. And we really got nothing to do left till tomorrow at 9 o'clock. And first qualifying isn't until 11 o'clock, so.
Oh, Let's hope we make the pass.
Yeah. I think she'll hold.
Yeah.
That was only 500 horsepower. She's.
My shed. Yeah. Alright. Camera's off.
All right.